Today, let's talk about setting up an ecological tank. First, wash the volcanic rocks that will be placed at the bottom. Then, spread them as the lowest layer. I also bought some smaller ones to place on top. This helps elevate the entire base. On top of the volcanic rocks, add a layer of aquatic soil. This will support the growth of aquatic plants later on. Above the aquatic soil, spread a layer of flow-absorbing stones. These not only enhance aesthetics, but also help stabilize the lower layers. The flow-absorbing stones need to be thoroughly washed before placing them in. Next, insert the newly purchased water cypress. These are still just small branches. Once the leaves grow out, they will create a miniature forest-like effect. Then, plant some aquatic plants. After filling the tank with water, add some floating plants on the surface. Personally, I really like water snowflake lilies. At first, the water will be quite cloudy. It needs to sit for 1 to 2 weeks. Gradually, the water will become clear. Unexpectedly, the water snowflake lilies bloomed. It seems they are thriving in this environment. When fully bloomed, they appear soft and fluffy, making them very beautiful. The water cypress has also started sprouting new leaves over the past few days. Once the water is clear, it's time to introduce fish. But don't just drop them in right away. First, let them acclimate to the water temperature overnight. After that, they can be released into the tank. And just like that, an ecological tank is complete. Observing it every day is truly therapeutic.